And this is going to be our YouTube channel. We are going to post here. So she's eating some donuts, a donut with milk. And yeah, today is our first day making a video. And we're gonna make and we're gonna be making a video. So for today, we're gonna be trying to make slime with glitter glue. We have tons of glitter glue here, but we already used this, so there's like half the bottle right there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. There's just half the bottle. And I just forgot to say, please like and subscribe our videos and comment down below if you're watching. Comment down below anything else you want us to do. So if it works, we have some containers here, and we're gonna get mixing tools and our activator because we forgot it before we did the video. So I'm just gonna take over the camera right now, and I'll be back. You talk, Anna.
Okay, I think that I'm going to say that. Let me see the islands. No. Like I go past the donut to go. But donut to always say. I'm really hungry, but my mom.
So I'm back, and I got all the things. Look at her donut. I got all the things I need. So I got something to mix it with. She needs paper. Just clean it. Okay, the paper's all over there. Let's go get the paper.
These are our paper. I didn't get paper.
So, while she's cleaning herself, I'm going to talk about what we're going to need. So, of course, you're going to need the glitter glue. You're going to need something to mix in it. You're going to need something to mix with. And I got this old pencil with that. You're going to need your activator. And if this doesn't work, we're gonna put some other glue, so then it's gonna kind of activate. So we're gonna get started. And if it works without it or with it, we're just gonna mix ours together, and we're gonna put it in a container. So yeah, I hope it works. And yeah, so we're gonna get started. So what color do you want? She's gonna lose your eyes. You want red? What color do you want? You want gold?
No.
Wait, there's no more gold.
I don't like it.
You want silver? I want silver. I'm gonna take silver and gold. So you're just gonna put the whole thing on. Try to put the whole. There's no way this. Oh, it's thick. Okay. It's really thick. but we're just gonna see. Oh my gosh. See, the whole bottle is used. Okay. There's only a little bit, so if it doesn't work, I'm gonna put a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't want to mix it. Oh, I should have done it separate, but whatever.
Look, take that color.
So, yeah. It's gonna split.
In my way.
Okay, whatever. Are you done?
I can see.
You only have a little one, huh?
Yeah.
Did it? Oh. Ooh, this is really good. That's good. You want silver?
Yeah.
There's a lot of silver on this one. Okay. So now we have our colors and all. So now, do you want to mix it, Ella?
I'll go with these.
Oh, you want green? Okay. A lot. Okay. So now she wanted silver, green, and blue, and I just wanted some gold and silver. So I'm gonna mix mine. Are you gonna mix yours? Okay, just mix it. Mix it.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a pretty color. But I don't know if it's gonna work, so yeah.
Whatever. Look, the blue.
You're coloring the plate, Ada.
Yeah.
You should have done it the other way. Wait, look. Use this thing. Use this. Can you use this? Okay, use that. Just mix it. Keep on mixing. Okay? Mix it. Okay. Yours looks pretty. Okay. Now it's gonna go in with our baking soda, which I'm gonna have to put in my hand. Oh my gosh. Okay. You just need a little. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay.
I'll just my donuts.
So now we're gonna mix that in, and then we're gonna put this in the Okay. You done? Okay, now you. She's still eating her donuts. Okay. Well, we're just gonna add a little bit. A little bit. Is it forming? Ooh, it's making it watery. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, it's making it watery. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. Because this whole thing is making water. Oh, and bubbles are starting to pop up. But it's making it watery. Okay. So I guess we're gonna go in with our glue.
Yeah.
You don't even have some, Mama.
Yeah.
You just want to. Oh. Pop this thing out. Here. And I'll mix the whole thing. There we go, there we go. We just need a little bit since we
I
only
don't want
added
the
a little
water.
bit. I don't know if this is gonna make it too. So we're just gonna have to see. But I think we're just making a whole disaster here because like nothing's making more. What is the glue doing? Wait, does it mean more baking soda? Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Too risky. Okay. I am so not a professional slime maker. Oh my god. I'm sweating in my hair. You know what? Just do this.
What does that?
Wait,
Oh my.
Okay. Okay. I'm showing to the camera again. It's not forming.
Yeah, Mom.
Wait, what about yours? You're not even mixing it. Hers is forming! What? Anna, no way! Like, look, you guys. See that? Hers is forming. Like, you can basically see it shredding. Why is yours forming? See, I told you I am not good at slime. Like, I think my sister is better than me. No way. I wasn't even watching her this whole time. Okay. That's good. Super duper. She needs more. She needs more context. Oh my gosh. Anna, you didn't even tell me yours is working. Okay, maybe hers is working better. Okay. Keep on mixing. Ow. Look at hers. Anna, you did not tell me nothing. Okay, we're just gonna keep on mixing. Hers is pretty. Okay. Oh, you're making a Christmas coloring. She likes like organizing stuff. She likes like playing stuff with it. Okay. Oh my gosh. This might be good. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Ada, you didn't tell me nothing. Why don't you tell me? Okay. Ada, look at yours. Yours is for me. I think my this is gonna go up as a slime professional. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay. It's very sticky again. Okie dokie. Okay, I'm trying to take it out. Oh my gosh. It's sticking to me. She's getting me. Ada, can you put more? Ada, can you put more?
Yeah.
No, not that. The context is useful.
Okay.
Just a little bit more.
Okay.
Go! It wasn't a good time to make a video right now, like this season, because like everybody's going back to school and like you're gonna have homework and all. But like I'm gonna try. Like I'm trying to make a YouTube channel. No matter what, I'm gonna try to make this channel grow up. Like even though I'm not gonna have free time one day, I might have free time the next day. And I will apologize if I don't post that day. And as more as I'm learning how to make a YouTube video, I am going to do the day, like I'm gonna have a day I'm gonna do it, another day I'm not. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing in this YouTube channel. I'm still planning stuff. We didn't look forward to doing it right now. Like my parents, they said yes. They were like okay with it. But like they were the ones who made this. Okay, this is not getting out. And if I put this, it's gonna stick to it.
Look at me.
Okay, so I do not recommend this. Okay, so hers came out. I don't know. You're just playing around with the glitter glue, and I'm trying to make it slime. I don't.
Huh?
Look, you got slime. And look at mine.
In the make.
Wait, is it mine forming?
No.
What?
Give it
Now
Mommy.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm going with you. Oh. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna put that in my hair. My hair is burning right now. Okay. So like I was saying, I'm gonna do a day I do it and the other day I'm not. So yeah. ¿Ya comió?
See?
My mom's over there.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Lovely.
Oh yes.
Oh my god.
Oh no. It's very watery.
My feet are slipping.
Yeah, I added too much contact solution. I think it was the contact solution. Yeah. Mine is too watered.
Yeah.
But you know what? It's no. We're gonna put more and yeah. I'm gonna mix hers with mine. Since I said I'm gonna try to make a big one. Just look at that. Ew. It's like jiggly though. Okay. Try to spread some off. This is actually like easy since it's like water. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so I am starting. Okay. Ew. Okay, am I gonna mix yours with my other? You want me to? Okay, let's mix it. Let's see if yours doesn't go bad.
Yeah.
Because of mine. Oh my god, it's sticky. That's first thing I just look at that. It's sticky. And it's way too watery. What am I supposed to do? I just messed Alice up. Oh no. So I'm not going anywhere because wait, let me take a trying to save you. So I'm gonna keep on like playing with it. And then I'm gonna dry my hands and play with it and contact solution now. And yeah. So I think it works. It's working. Okay, so this is the final thing since we had to add this. But whatever. Is this gonna fit in this container? Like this is a big whole container and we're just gonna put it in there. Looks like a log. It looks like what's called a snail. But yeah. Okay. Well, I guess that was our video of us trying to. I don't know. Let's go. So I don't know if you liked it, but this is our first video. I know it wasn't good, but yeah. I guess Ada the whole time was playing with the glitter glue and eating her donut and playing and eating her donut. But yeah, I hope you liked it and look at that. Just like walking everywhere.
It's like slime.
It's like those slimes that you buy at the Dollar General.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like super jiggly and all. Yeah. But that was my fault because I mixed it in. But Ada's was like better than mine, so yeah. Mine was like a disaster. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you're new to our channel, please comment down below something y'all want us to do in our next video, and I hope y'all liked our video. It was kind kind of a, but yeah. So please like and subscribe and comment down below, and we'll see y'all next time.